This is the snowstorm. State of emergency snowstorm. It is very windy, and trust me, it might not look like a lot of snow from in here, from in the camera, but there's a lot of snow out here, and it's freezing.
And we made a snow
Look at that!
castle.
Look at that car right there. Just like the wind is blowing it, but there was literally, you see how it's all the way up there? Just now, it was like up to that part right there in the wind, but the snow, like, it blew it. Look at all of this. There's ice. Look at that. There's icicles forming on that light right there. Look. And this right here, that is actually taller than that. That's like that big. The snow is literally about to reach up there. There's a lot of snow. My dad went outside and said it was like up to his knees. It's
It is
freezing.
so
Look
cold.
at the car down there.
And the reason why
The snow is literally about to cover the cars. It's going to continue until tomorrow. So imagine.
the reason why I'm wearing coat because I'm so cold.